Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing about histology. Histology is the study of tissue. Tissue is the group of cells that share same function. There are four basic types of tissue in human body. They are epithelial, muscular, connective and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue consists of thin sheet of cells that cover body surfaces, lines body cavities such as pleural cavity, abdominal cavity, and tube such as respiratory passage, GI tract, and blood vessels. This tissue is also found in glands, their ducts, and receptor for hearing, taste, smell, and vision, which is also known as neuroepithelium. Remember, epithelium is derived from all three germ layers. Now, characteristics of epithelial tissue. All epithelial tissues have an apex and base. Apical surface have microvilli, which are extents of plasma membrane, and these microvilli increase surface area for absorption. Some have motile cilia, which are ear-like projection. Next to basal surface, there is a basal lamina, which regulates passage of molecule. Epithelial cells fit together and form continuous sheaths. They do this with tight junction and desmosomes. Epithelial tissue rests on basement membrane, also known as reticular lamina, which reinforces the epithelium and helps it resist stretching and tearing. Epithelial tissue is avascular but is highly supplied by nerve fibers. Epithelial tissue have high regenerative capacity. There are several functions of epithelial tissue. Each type of epithelial tissue performs its own function. Cellular transport, absorption, secretion, and protection are its main function. Based on number of layers of cells, epithelial tissue can be classified into two types: simple epithelia, which consists of single cell layer, and stratified epithelia, which consists of multiple layers of cells. We'll discuss simple epithelia. Based on shape of cells, simple epithelial tissue can be divided into three types: squamous, which are flat; cuboidal, which are box-like; and columnar, which are tall. Simple squamous epithelium are also known as pavement epithelium. Here, cells are flat and thin. Simple squamous epithelium are found in alveoli, blood vessels, coelom, kidney, and endocardium. Remember mnemonics A, B, C, D, E. This epithelium helps in fluid transport in kidney, gaseous exchange in alveoli, and works as a lining membrane in coelom as well as blood vessels. Now, simple cuboidal epithelium. This epithelium consists of single layer of cells with same height and width. Main function include secretion and absorption. These are found in ducts of exocrine gland, surface of ovary, kidney tubules, and thyroid follicle. Simple columnar epithelium consists of single layer of tall, closely packed cells with elongated and non-central nucleus. These tissues are found in GI tract from stomach to rectum. They are also found in gallbladder. Main function include secretion and absorption. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Here, cells vary in their height. They rest on basement membrane. Nuclei lie at different layers which give impression of stratification. They are present in trachea, bronchial tree, ductus deferens, epididymis, and nasal cavity. Its main function include absorption, secretion, protection, transportation, and lubrication. Stratified squamous epithelium. This epithelium consists of multiple layers of cells, cuboidal at the base and flat on its surface. This epithelium can withstand abrasion as loss of surface cell doesn't compromise underlying tissue. Stratified non-keratinized squamous epithelium. This tissue consists of flattened cell with nuclei. These are present in mouth, epiglottis, esophagus, vocal folds, and vagina. Its main function includes protection and secretion. Stratified keratinized squamous epithelium. It consists of flattened cell without nuclei. There are dead keratinized cells at surface. These sort of tissue are present in epidermis of skin and helps in protection. Stratified cuboidal epithelium. It consists of layer of cuboidal cells. These sort of tissue are present in ducts of sweat gland, ducts of exocrine gland, and anorectal junction. Main function includes absorption and secretion. Now, stratified columnar epithelium. These sort of tissue are less common. These sort of tissue are present in conjunctiva of eye and portion of male urethra. Main function of stratified columnar epithelium is secretion, absorption, and protection. Transitional epithelium is another type of epithelium which is also known as urothelium. This sort of tissue have features which are intermediate between stratified cuboidal and stratified squamous epithelium. In relaxed state, it appears to be 4 to 5 cells thick with cuboidal basal cells, polygonal intermediate cells, and large surface cells. In stretched state, it appears to be 2 to 3 cells thick and cells are extremely flat. This sort of tissue are present in urethra, ureters, bladders, and renal calyces. Main function includes protection and distension. Epithelia in some part are given special names such as neuroepithelium for receptors, endothelium for lining of blood and lymphatic vessels, endocardium for internal chamber of heart, mesothelium for cavities of body, and olfactory for nasal cavity. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for similar videos.